Next, write a program to read a character and print it in uppercase, right? So every character will have its ASCII value. So these are the ASCII values of each and every character. Now we need to convert lowercase to uppercase. How can we do that? You need to remember minus 32. So 97 minus 32, you will get capital A. You will get 65, right? Right. So you will get 65. 98 minus 32, you will get capital B, like that. So we need to write code for this. Now, did you understand this concept?
Yes.
Right. So this is for your explanation. Right. Go to file, recent. Right. Now, first of all, I am going to create a variable. I need to read a character. To read a character, which data type we need to use? Char. We need to use character data type. So we are reading a character, right? So for that purpose, I am going with the data type called char. So char variable name is ch. I am taking the variable name as ch. Right.
Yes.
After this, I first ask the question printf. What you need to ask? Enter a character. Enter a character. After reading character, after entering the character, we need to read that character with the help of scanf. So how to read a character? Which format specifier we need to use here?
Percentage.
Percentage percentage C for
Percentage
character.
C, sir.
Ah, percentage C to read a character, comma ampersand ch. Right. We have read the character successfully. After that, what is the formula? Ch is equals to ch minus 32.
32.
Right. After that, printf. What we need to print? Uppercase. So user will enter it in lowercase. We need to get it in uppercase. So comma, where is the output? The
CH.
result is in ch. So print ch. And after that, at last, return 0. Right. Now run the program. Now I'm entering a character small a. See,